Dear student, good morning all. Today I am going to teach you how the dog found himself a new master. From the book Honeysuckle lesson number 2. First of all, I will read your paragraph, then I will explain. Student, you should listen this explanation minimum 2 times or more than 2 times if possible. Now listen paragraph 1. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. Now listen explanation of these lines. Once upon a time there was a dog who lived in a forest, and he was searching his own master, and he wanted to force his life, just like a wolf lived freely in the forest. But dog did not like their lives because they were all sad to their lives. Dog lived alone, and when they became ill, wandered alone for food and also frightened to a stronger animal. Now I am reading. Second, he thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth, and he set out to find such a master. At last, after struggling many problems, dog decided to be servant of animal who was more stronger than anyone on the earth. Now I am reading 3. He walked and walked. He walked and he walked, and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf, who was as strong as he was fierce. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? I don't see. Why not? The wolf said, and this agreed upon the two of them went on together. Now listen explanation of these lines. When dog was searching his master, same time he met a big wolf. And wolf was a big animal and also the stronger animal on the earth. And wolf was a frightening animal, so dog thought to be servant of wolf. Dog asked him that, you are ready to be my master? Then wolf answered, yes, I am ready to be your master, become your master. And dog accepted him as his master, and then both started to walk together happily. Now I am reading fourth. They walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. What's come over you, master? He asked. What has frightened you so? Can you see there's a bear out there? And he might eat up both of us, you and me. Now, listen explanation of these lines. Both were walking regularly, but suddenly Wolf lifted his nose, and also Wolf was trying to know, so he kept his nose up and smelled and knew about a stronger animal. So he went into the deep of bushes in the forest to hide himself. Same time dog asked him, why you frightened so? Then Wolf told him about bear who was stronger him and could kill them. Now I will read to the fifth. Seeing that bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, let us go and find a herd of cows. I will kill a cow, and then we can both eat our fill. Now listen explanation of these lines. When dog knew that bear was a stronger animal than the wolf, at once he met bear and asked him, are you ready to become my master? Then at once he became ready, and then both began to walk together. Both looked a herd of cows. Then bear said that we will kill the cow and we will eat both. We will means bear and dog will eat the cow. Now I am reading line sixth paragraph. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come to it, they were stopped by terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in a panic in all directions. While bear and dog were walking, saw a herd of cows just coming towards them. Then cows saw and stopped and listened. A fearful noise. Cows were moving in all directions to save their lives. Now I will read to the 7. The bear looked out from behind a tree, and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. Now why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. The lion who is, don't you know, he is the strongest beast on the earth. Well, then I will say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. Now listen explanation of these lines. The bear was very afraid, and he was sitting behind a tree to to see more stronger animal. When he got chance, at once ran towards the deep of the forest. Dog was also with him and asked him, "Why did you have to come here?" Then he answered, "About the lion, who was the king of the forest and also ruled all over the forest, and also lion was the strongest beast on the earth." Then he was the strongest animal on the earth. Then dog said goodbye and went to the lion, and dog only to be master of the animal, who is stronger than any animal on the earth. Now I will read it. And as the dog went to ask the lion to be his master, the lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. Now listen, explanation of these lines. The dog went to the lion and asked him to become his master. At once lion became ready to make himself a master of dog, and dog started to live and served the lion for a long time. Now the dog was very happy because lion did not afraid to all the animals of the forest. Dog passed his long time with the lion happily. Now he was feeling very safe with him, and also thought anyone could not harm him. Now I will read 9th paragraph. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path, and ran amid where cliffs, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. "What is it, master? Is anything wrong?" asked the dog, surprised. "I smell a man coming this way," the lion said. "We had better run for it, or we will be in trouble." "Oh, well, then I will say goodbye to you. Lion, I want a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth." Now listen the explanation of these lines. One day, lion and dog were walking side by side in the forest. Suddenly lion stopped, roared, and started to dig the ground forcefully. So they peacefully returned back. At once dog asked the lion, "What happened?" Then lion replied, "I was getting smell of a man, so need to leave this place at once. Otherwise, we will have to face trouble." Then dog said him goodbye because he wanted to make a master for him who was stronger than other animals in the forest. Now I will read last paragraph 10. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago, but to this day, the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. Now listen, explanation of these lines. So he bent, means dog bent to a man and lived him. He lived with him faithfully. In this way, dog became a loyal servant of the man, and now he stopped searching a new master for him because he was getting fully safety with him. Okay, student, thanks. And I will give solution of this chapter in the next video. Okay, thanks.